How to change Facebook cover photo without sending notification. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can change Facebook cover photo without sending notification. Now, it's quite simple and easy to be able to do so here is how you can do it. Simply open a Facebook app, you'll get an interface like this. Now, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see below the home page icon there. Simply tap on profile icon and head into your page here and tap on the cover photo and you'll be able to see various options. Simply tap on upload photo or you can select photo in Facebook. Simply tap on upload photo here. I'll just select a quick picture here. Now, once you upload photo, what you want to do is at the bottom of your screen, you can see the option share your update to newsfeed. Make sure to disable this. What you want to do is toggle that switch off. Make sure it's not tick mark there. You can see the blue tick mark. Remove this, tap on it and remove it, and then once you do this, if you tap on save option, your Facebook cover photo will be changed and no notifications will be sent to anyone that you change your Facebook cover photo, and it won't be shown on your timeline and anyone's timeline as well. So this way you can change Facebook cover photo without sending notification. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.